Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. This is the Rideshare Hub, a place for Uber and Lyft drivers to learn how to make more money. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a secret. Yes, a secret which I honestly have never heard anybody on the internet talk about. So I actually was very hesitant to actually make this video, but I thought, hey, why not? Let's get this out to the public, and I want to see what you guys think of it too. If you are a driver for Uber and Lyft, let me know what you think about this. Is this legal? Is this illegal? Is this against terms of service for Uber and for Lyft? So I'm gonna get into how to actually screen your passengers. Basically, how to find out where the destination is before heading there. And yes, I am aware Lyft just introduced, and yes, I am aware they just introduced the the direction and the time if you have over 90% acceptance rate. However, even if you have under 90%, because I know a lot of people like to not have high acceptance rates, and I know that we still don't know the exact place that they're going. So if you want to know exactly where your rider is going, your passenger, as a driver, before you pick them up, that's what I'm going to talk about in today's video. Before I do, guys, if you have not yet liked this video, please do. It helps me out a ton. If you drive for Uber and you like making money, or if you're just like making money in general, leave the video a big thumbs up. And also, I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by 2020. That's my goal. So I am going to do whatever I can to do that. Also, guys, plants are really important to have in your house. If you guys do not have plants in your home, you are missing out. You're supposed to talk to your plants. Hello, plants, how are you? Give them CO2, or what is it? O2? CO2? Look at this, plants here, more plants. Plants are good for you guys, they're good. Even these little things, you know? Little gems. So, I just got a haircut too, by the way, guys. Comment down below, what do you think about the new flip, whatever, I don't know what they call it these days. Also, I just got a TikTok, guys. I'm making videos on TikTok. So follow me on TikTok if you want. It is at Dylan Esparza. Let me guys know if you guys have TikTok. Comment down below. I'll follow you. Or follow me and then I'll follow you back. But yeah, that's me. I have 16 followers, so trying to get to 1 million on there as well. So anyways, okay. Whoops. So yeah, guys, this is mainly in response to a video I saw on the Rideshare Guy, Harry Campbell. If you guys don't know who he is, he's pretty much the biggest rideshare influencer in the world. I definitely would call him the biggest rideshare influencer, the Rideshare Guy. Probably if you just type in rideshare on Bing, he'll probably pop up. Rideshare.org, Mission Rideshare. Rideshare Professor. Oh, Rideshare Professor comes up. Well, I guess Rideshare Professor. Maybe him. Actually, I really do like both of them. Rideshare Professor. Maybe he's the biggest. Let's go into images. See what images pop up. Yeah, he's got a ton. I don't even know if I pop up when you type in Rideshare Hub on Bing Images. Maybe a couple. Get the merch, guys. Cop the merch. Girls like it. But yeah, Rideshare Guy is what we're talking about today. This guy here. So if you go on YouTube, right? Go into Rideshare Guy. Click on, I'm gonna make this really quick. Click on videos, and then it's Jay. That's Jay. He actually made a video called How to Screen Your Passengers, and it was I would honestly even say a little bit controversial, right? How to screen your rideshare passengers. And basically what he said, he has a strategy, which he says that he doesn't do it on every single ride. You know what? I'm gonna leave this video a big thumbs up and turn on post notifications. So here, basically what I got from his version is that you go to the pickup location. So you actually drive to the pickup location and you click arrive, and then as you guys might know, once you click arrive, you can see the destination, right? That's how it works. He said, don't actually get to the destination, but click arrive before you get there. And then, this is, you know, just, I don't think I've even watched the video in a really long time, but that's my understanding. I could be wrong though, so do not quote me on this. But basically, yeah, you show up, click arrive, and then you can see it, and then if it's long, or short, you know, whatever you want, you can cancel it if you want. But then, you know, a bunch of people were like giving him backlash and stuff, and basically saying you can't do this. And then the Rideshare guy even commented saying, you know, keep in mind guys, you can get deactivated or having to have a cancellation rate, so I wouldn't do this more than 5 to 10% of the time. It really only something you can do once in a while. Jerry screams passenger because he insures those short rides to his Uber Quest bonus. I get another $100 for 50 trips. So in this scenario, you lose out on a bonus if you get a couple long rides and aren't able to get blah blah blah. Sorry, it isn't for everyone, but as independent contractors, you should be entitled to this info ahead of time. Plumbers, electricians set their own prices, but as a rideshare driver, you don't. The huge advantage to Uber. Oh yeah, I guess, do plumbers and electricians set their own prices? I don't think they do. I think the company does usually. This is a huge advantage to Uber and Lyft since they can effectively send you unprofitable jobs and force you to take them. A plumber would never drive an hour to someone's house, do a job for 25 bucks, and then drive an hour home. Fair point, Harry, or whoever is running your comment section. However, there is another way around this. There's a way around this so you don't get deactivated and so you don't lose your cancellation rate that no one has ever talked about, but I know some people are doing it. Why? Because, and I wouldn't even tell you guys this, but when I very first signed up for Lyft, back in 2017, it used to be way more legit. I actually went to I don't know what it is now, so maybe it's still the same way, but when I went to sign up, I had an onboarding meeting. It was a group meeting. There was like 5 of us new drivers, and we sat down, and she had a whole presentation, and it was like a Lyft employee. So it took like 30 minutes, and we went and sat down, and she went over the app with us. She went over everything, and then one by one, the mechanic went out and brought us and signed us up. And she said, oh, do you guys have any questions? And everyone was literally silent, and I was the only one asking questions. And I was like, because I had no idea how the app worked. I was like, well, are you able to drive in certain areas, or how does that work? She's like, oh, destination filters. And I was like, okay, cool. That was just when they started destination filters. However, she said, and I was like, oh, well, what if I was like, how do you know if a ride, because I have at the time I was working another job. So I was like, oh, well, like I have a job at like 12. How can I know whether or not how do I know when to log off or whatever? Or like, how am I going to know that I'm going to be there in time? And she goes, well, and she said, I'm just saying, this is from a Lyft employee. She said, you can call your passenger and ask them their destination. Boom, mic drop. She said, oh, if you need to be somewhere, you can call your passenger and ask them, hey, I just wanted to know your destination so I know I have enough time to take you there. There's a way to phrase it, you know. You can call your passenger and say, hey, I was just wondering where your destination is, so just so I know that I have enough time to take you there. That way when you show up, you don't have to cancel because it's a 3-hour-long ride, whatever. I think that was also right when they were starting to do 45-minute plus rides, but even now, what if it's a 44-minute ride, you know what I mean? With traffic, and it ends up being an hour ride. So with that being said, take that or leave that advice. Use that at your own discretion, at your own will. If you want to call every single passenger and ask them where the destination is, so you have enough time to take them there, theoretically, maybe you, I don't know, have a date you need to go on. How are they gonna know? I'm just saying, this is not coming from me, guys. This is coming from Lyft, and a Lyft employee. They told me this at my onboarding meeting. So I'm just sharing this knowledge with you guys. So that way, if you, let's say you want to come up with a strategy to only do long rides, right? Because we all know long rides pay way more than a bunch of short rides. I've actually done that when there was a long pickup. There was somebody who it was like 15 minutes away, and I was like, I don't want to drive 15 minutes, I have a short ride. So I called the guy and I said, hey, where's your destination? You know, I want to make sure I have enough time to get you. Cause I did, you know, at the same time I had, I was thinking about going home, and I was like, oh, I don't want to drive 15 minutes there and then, you know, have another hour-long ride or whatever. Or no, I don't know what it was. But anyways, I'm just saying, guys, use this at your own discretion. Lyft is telling you to do that. Lyft told all 5 of us new drivers 2 years ago to do that. So yeah, it's public news now, how to actually screen your rideshare passengers. Uber never told me that they can do that, so I probably wouldn't do that with Uber, but with Lyft, I'm comfortable saying that because if anything happens, I can say, well, a Lyft employee told me that in my onboarding meeting, that I could call the passenger and ask them where the destination is. So anyways, guys, that's my video for today. Hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed. It's a secret. Secret's out, guys. All right. Don't share this video with anybody, okay? Don't tell anyone. This is your secret, or else Lyft isn't gonna let drivers call their passengers. So actually, yeah, you can still call your passengers, right? I actually don't know. I haven't called my passengers in a while. I haven't had to, because I just accept pretty much every ride now. But anyways, that's it. Have a good day, guys. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, or if you learned something new, or if, I don't know, whatever. And subscribe. Let's try to get to 100K before the end of the year. All right, bye guys. Have a good one. Peace.